Ladies and gentlemen, at the end of this ball game, the final score is 104 for the Phoenix Fuel Investors and 110 for the winner, the Magnolia Chicken Empanadas Hot Shots.
Shout out. I'm with Kuya Ricardo Ratliff of the Magnolia Chicken Empanadas Hot Shots. Congratulations on an impressive win, dominant performance for tonight. 22 points, 19 rebounds.